Okay, and we're back. Right, Mary Jane? We're gonna be setting up this fucking wire. Damn it. I'm gonna have to bleep that out. So I won't get demonetized. Maybe. Alright. So this one goes to the top. What? It came with a free peanut. Look at that. Focus. What the fuck is it? Let's go. Okay.
So this way it goes down, you know? No, this way it goes up. That goes down.
What way?
That goes up. This one goes down.
Correct.
Correct.
Okay. So, you want to record or you want to start sticking it? Sticking it to the man.
How are you gonna keep this on?
Yes, that's the bracket to hold it on.
Okay, well where the fuck are you gonna put it?
Here, it goes. Here we go. I'm gonna do first person on this.
Pass me the roller thing so I can just go ahead and roll down.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. The roller thing. How many to the roller? Cut that one.
Excuse me. And you got my burp.
Got the burp too? Damn, look at the sun. The train. What else could we record back here?
Yeah, record my house.
Yeah, so that they'll know where you live and they can come find you. All the subscribers. You said, oh hell no?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Mechanic.
Never mind. Don't need to be loud. I can't fucking.
Don't roll.
I'm not even cool.
Look at this. I don't give a fuck. I'm over here wearing like 2 jackets. Like 3 shirts. These are just shorts. I'm taking off the G unit.
Unit, really?
G unit.
Where am I looking? Where is it at?
Come over here to your right here, back here.
I'm just sliding everywhere.
You see it right there dangling? Well, you remember where it's gonna go through? Right in between this, where I'm touching right here. So put your hand behind that and grab the tip.
This thing keeps getting stuck, goddammit. Where am I going?
Where are you going?
Okay, I
You see it?
I have
All right.
to back up though.
Yes.
Oh, here.
And then it's gonna go through there. Oh shit. Let's see if I can. Let me turn it so that maybe we can reach it. Okay. You see it? It's gotta go in through there.
Through here?
No, through.
Through here. The hole.
Just through there.
Okay. Wait. Why isn't it going? Okay, try. Can you? No.
Do you remember where you took it out through, right?
Yeah, that's where
Are you sure? Because it was not through there.
I know. It was over here.
It was it was back here, through here.
Was it?
Yeah, you see my finger? You see it on the other side?
Yeah.
Through there.
Okay, well. Okay.
Do you see the tip now? You got it?
Yeah. I think it's stuck though.
Stuck again?